This is a set of very bright color keycaps by red, blue, yellow, green, 4 colors matching keycaps. The keycap material is PBT material. There are many matching personality keycaps composed of some children play with the building block elements. Now let's look at the light transmission. The personality key is opaque. The red one has a tiny light transmission. The blue one is opaque. The yellow one is light transmission. The lamp effect after the installation of this keycap should be very nice. There are a large and a small spacebar of that.